Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 70 Ultra and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's begin with opening the settings. We will start with the customization, and here we have to scroll and find display and brightness. Then let's tap on the eye comfort. And first of all, we have to turn it on. So let's start with tapping on enable all day. And as you can see, the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. It will be also much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Here we can change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say, and of course it's up to you which intensity is the most comfortable for you. Here you can also turn on the flicker reduction, so you can reduce the flickering on the screen. So it's up to you whether you want to use it or not. And you can also schedule that feature just by tapping on the switcher. You can freely choose the start and the end time just by swiping, and then your device will apply the eye comfort mode accordingly to the schedule. Of course, enable all day is the manual option, so you have to manually turn it on and off. So this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully in order to find the proper icon, which is right here, the eye comfort. So of course you can tap on it to turn it off and tap on it again to turn it on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.